Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: encomium, E-N-C-O-M-I-U-M. Scurrilous, S-C-U-R-R-I-L-O-U-S. Encomium, a piece of writing, speech, etc. that praises someone or something. Synonyms: commendation, praise, honor, citation, tribute, salutation, eulogy, admiration, applause. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: blame, criticism, censure, reproach, slander, contempt, disapproval, reproof, abuse, scorn. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Meera wrote an encomium applauding all the improvements made by the principal. Scurrilous, expressing unfair or false criticism that is likely to damage someone's reputation. Synonyms: abusive, offensive, defamatory, degrading, obscene, vituperative, scandalous, indecent, insulting. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: respectful, clean, moral, discreet, civil, judicious, upright, courteous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Jeevan has made scurrilous attack on his boss for removing him from the job. Gratis, G-R-A-T-I-S. Contrition, C-O-N-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Gratis, without charge or payments, free. Synonyms: costless, free, gratuitous, unsalaried, free of charge, as a gift, chargeless, complimentary, free ride. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: costly, expensive, high priced, solicited, for sale, priced. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Sonu offered his services gratis to those in need. Contrition, a very sorry or guilty feeling about something bad you have done. Synonyms: regret, shame, guilt, penitence, rue, self-reproach, humiliation, penance, sorrow, compunction. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: complacency, impenitence, stubbornness, approval, comfort, hardness, content. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Ranjit feels no contrition for what he did. Bleary, B-L-E-A-R-Y. Genuflect, G-E-N-U-F-L-E-C-T. Bleary, blurred of eyes or very tired or poorly outlined. Synonyms: dim, dull, burned out, drained, exhausted, fatigued, murky, cloudy, unclear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: bright, clear, unweird, coherent, distinct, clear-headed, focused. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: after studying all night, Sweta's eyes were bleary. Genuflect, to bend one knee or touch one knee to the floor as a sign of worship or respect. Synonyms: bow, kneel, curtsy, scrape, truckle, kowtow, scratch up, toady. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disrespect, disregard, disobey, overrule, shun, cease, dilute. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: usually faithful people genuflect before Almighty. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.